Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel, it's me again. I noticed that my English subscribers don't watch my content that much, which makes me extremely sad. Please correct that mistake, come on. Am I not funny? Maybe I'm not the funniest person out there, but I'm a girl and I understand from technologies. This is unique. You should follow me and subscribe to me. Thank you very much. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at this gaming product. It's a wireless mouse. The brand is Trust and the name is Disan. You know Trust, if you don't remember that brand from my channel, you can go and check up my Trust GXT RGB speakers for 20 euro. This is a hit video, so you should go and totally check it out. Let's unbox this product and see why is it worth it. This mouse is below 30 euro, it's wireless and Trust is a good brand. Let's go! And this is the box of Trust Disan GXT 161, black and red theme, nice and glossy, building champions. Let's open it. So nice way of opening. This is the stickers and the quick guide that you need, and here is the mouse itself plus the wireless adapter and the charging cable. Beautiful. I like the appearance of the mouse. It seems comfortable. It is comfortable. I like the place for your thumb. The mouse is 96 grams. Let's measure it to be sure. It's not light, but it's not heavy. Even though some of you would say it's heavy, let's not forget that it has built-in rechargeable battery inside. This is the cable. You can use the cable while you play with the mouse. There is no problem to charge it and play with it at the same time. The battery endurance is up to 30 hours playtime. It depends, of course, how you use it and what's the brightness of your LEDs and so on, because that's, you know, that drains battery, of course. The sensor is very high quality optical sensor from 800 to 3000 dpi. Some of you will say that it's not enough because a lot of you are playing on higher dpi than 3000, but it's still okay, at least for me. This is, let's not forget, below 30 euro wireless mouse. We have 1000 Hz ultra polling, up to 60 inch per second 20G acceleration, shiny and soft coverage, 6 programmable buttons that you can program through the software that is advanced. You can control the RGB from there. It has endless opportunities that you can check there. We'll actually check it on the computer, of course. And that's about it. We have quick guide, colorful, showing you how to use it exactly, and actually it's from 500 dpi to 3000 dpi, not from 800. The full time for charging is 6 hours. So now let's try it on the computer and I will show you the software. Afterwards we'll do some gaming with it and see how it performs on gaming. If you're new here, you can subscribe to my channel. Downloading the software is quite easy. You go into the Trust website and you write the name of the mouse. It comes up. This GXT 161 Disan, you go up to drivers, and the latest one for Windows. You can download it. So easy. It's exe file. You install it and that's the software. That's how it looks. It has all of the sections that you need. The main one with the DPI settings, the Windows pointer settings, the polling rate where you can choose Windows scroll wheel settings, and you can assign key function from here as well. I like the look of the software. It's so clean and organized. You have the LED light section as well, the macro section. LED light section, you can see the backlight settings, current color. You can custom your own color, speed and brightness you can control from here as well. And you have the macro section, macro and event lists, record mouse keys. It's advanced and nicely made software, and trophies, where how many times you have used your keys, roller statistics, and so on. You can win some trophies to make it even more cool to use this mouse as much as you can. And a help section if you don't know something. Now let's try to control the mouse through the software. Guys, I'm using green screen, by the way. It's a little bit hard and maybe there are some spills from time to time, but I find it cool. This is how the mouse looks. Now it's on red. Let's change the color to blue. Okay. The software is also relatively fast. I like that about it. You know, the previous mouse that I tested wasn't that fast. The scroll wheel. This is one of the most comfortable scroll wheels I have ever tested. I like the gummy coverage. Here again you can assign some key functions. I really like mouses with side buttons because I can build very fast on Fortnite with them. And I will demonstrate you in the next video, of course. Each one of the 6 programmable buttons can be programmed to specific functions. And even in DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro you can use them to edit videos and so on. Let's play. This is some intense moment of gameplay. And you can notice that I use the mouse a lot. It's pretty and it's big, but I find it kind of heavy from time to time. Especially when you do fast movements and you need to snipe and pull yourself back very fast. It's hard to do. And it turns me into cow for some reason. Maybe I press too much. About the sensor, it's sensitive. The registering of the clicks is fast. I like it. And you can change dynamically the DPI. This is important when sniping. But 96 grams is heavy. I'm used to 70 grams ultralight mouses. This one is heavy for me, but the fact that it's wireless and you can use it while charging is also cool. It glides smooth, it's a nice mouse. And the fact that the price is below 30 euro is sometimes you can even find it for 20. Is also nice. I know a lot of you will cry about the DPI numbers, but that's how it is. So after we took a look at the Trust GXT wireless gaming mouse Disan, it's time to conclude that this mouse is very good. It's good for gaming, it's wireless, it works with PC, with laptop, it's suitable for Mac, for Windows. It's a nice mouse, even though I felt it a little bit heavy during gaming and sometimes the DPI is not enough. Up to 3000, but it's still nice gaming mouse below 30 euro, wireless gaming mouse below 30 euro. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media.